turn it around? You have it upside down.
Sorry.
Turn it around. The other way. One more time. Yep, that way. Okay, 1, 2, 3, say cheese. Okay, so AJ already has his other bento box. And this is supposed to be like leak proof, spill proof, and it comes with a spoon. So AJ, you want to open it? Oh wow! So let's see if this is easy for a child to open. Can you open it? It has a fork. It's a spoon and a fork. Okay, can you open it? The other lunchbox that AJ have is kid friendly. He's able to open it, but it's not leak proof and it will get everywhere. So hopefully this will hold the heat. I will put everything in the description box. I got this from Amazon. One of my friends had told me about this. So thank you, Monica, for telling us about this. So this lunchbox is originally $17, but I had got a code and I had bought it for $8. So let's see. Okay, so it comes with this, and then this has a little hole, so I guess if the food is too hot, you open this up. It's a little valve. A valve. So it comes with three departments, and the spoon is a good size. So be on the lookout for some of the food ideas that we will be putting in this bento box. Thank you for watching. What do you think about your lunch today?
I got rice, seaweed, turmeric. I don't know what that is.
That's vegan ranch.
Vegan